YouTube want us to protect our accounts. So many new YouTubers, they ignore vital notification from YouTube. So, you know, we do get some notifications on our channel and we don't even treat it as serious or as anything. And that is why some people, they will even get a strike on their channel. They will not go and check because they are not treating this YouTube as a business. They are just treating it as if something that is fun to them, that okay, let me just create video when I like, let me post when I like, let me check. There are some things that you need to take serious. If you know the reason why you are on YouTube and you want to make YouTube as a means of source of your income, maybe now or in the future, because the main goals of this YouTube is to educate, to inspire, and also to earn from it, from your effort. You know, sometimes you're just posting your lifestyle. So many people that do lifestyle, you can start posting your lifestyle and then you are interested of, okay, this thing I can start earning from him. I've heard a lot of testimony on YouTube that so many people said they just start YouTube without the intention of knowing that they even know that YouTube is paying any money on it. It was later that they found out that you can earn from your YouTube, something that you do with your pleasure. But do not also be ignorant of some informations that YouTube will pass to you. On this, I think last week there is one information that YouTube passed to all YouTube content creators on our YouTube studio. You even received the email, and then I know so majority of people don't even take note of that. That is why I am here to come and show you that email, or that notification, so that you can go and make sure you do your own as soon as possible, because that is to protect you from malwares or any pinching or even any virus, or even your account being hacked now or in the future. You might not know. You know, there's some link that we click on, okay, that we don't know that they are harmful, and they are harmful to our channel. Okay, we need to be very careful. That is why we need to take every information very, very serious. Let me take us into the phone and then we are going to turn it on. So in this situation, I'm going to show you, because YouTube want us to protect our accounts, especially if you have monetized or you are getting closer to monetization, or you are even thinking you want to monetize your channel as soon as possible. You need to do this. I've not done my own because I said I have to show my viewers, my subscribers, my community that I've not taken note of this notification. And I'm going to take you into my computer now and show you exactly what they are talking about, because it's very, very important. Okay, and I will take you to my phone where we are going to on it together, because I know it is so easy for so many people to on it, turn something on their phone than coming to computer. But I want to explain to you the reason why it is important for you to turn it on. It's very, very important. So let me take you to my computer and then we can see what I'm talking about. So here is what YouTube wants us to turn on. Manage enhanced safe browsing for your account. You can see they specifically mention it for your account. What is the purpose? What is the usefulness? Why did they want you to turn it? YouTube makes us to understand that it helps to protect our account. It provides more protection. You can just hold on to this word, more protection against phishing and malware across Google Chrome. You know, majority of us, we use Google Chrome. If you want to tell people to do something on their mobile, they will tell them go to Google Chrome, take it to Google Chrome, then you can now go to desktop mobile so that you can be able to do what you can do on your desktop. That is why it is very, very important. And majority of us, our account is Gmail, is for more protection. Then how can this enhanced safe browser work for our account? Okay, it works automatically in the background. It is not that what you will be saying, it works in the background, and it also provides fast and a protection against any dangerous website that we enter, any download that we do, or any even extension that we had. We know so many of us ask some extension. This is one extension, this is another extension. So many of us ask extension on our computer. So that is the work of enhanced safe browsing, is to protect our account. Okay, and then if you come to this place, if you click on it, there's a lot of information that you can read there. Okay, there is a lot of information. You can also open it. They also ask, how can this help us? Okay, it provides provide real-time security scanning to warn us about anything that is dangerous. Maybe we enter any dangerous site. So why is it so much important? Why is it important? It provides a real security scanning to warn us about a particular website that we are entering, or any download or any extension we are wants to put to protect us. Okay, it also help us to improve Google ability to detect any malware for us or anyone that is on that site. So we need to do it. So how do you do it now? Let's go to my phone, because it's easier for us to do on the phone directly. So let me take to my phone so that we can do it directly from my phone. So as you can see, here is my phone. I'm right on my phone. And then what am I going to do? You must, right now I am in my YouTube studio, as you can see now in my YouTube studio. So how do you turn it off? Where do you find that information? Because they have sent it for a very long time. You see this notification here. This notification is where you are going to click, and you can see, you will see how long they have sent it. 5 days ago they have sent me this information. I don't want to do it by not informing my community, because so many people might not know, or you did not take note of it. Not because you don't want to do it, but you did not take cognizance, you did not take note that this is they send this information. That is why I said let me wait until I will have time to come and turn it on. What you just need to do is simple. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you see the information I was showing us on the computer is still, you can still find it right here as well. You can see safe browsing, how to manage it, how enhance work. What is this information? Well, what are the things that they are protecting? They are protecting our URL, our download, our browser extension, system information, and small pages that we will go and we will not know that they are very important. Another information is that how Enhanced Safe uses this information. They use this information from Enhanced Safe browser to improve your security in Google Chrome and Gmail when you sign in. So when we sign in into our account, that is what they use it for. And another thing that they use it for is temporarily associate information from Enhanced with your Google account when you are signing, is to help to protect you across all Google apps. Okay, that is what they do. And then how do you turn this on? Which is the question that you'll be asking me, in your mind, that okay, enough of all this story. How do I turn it on? So what you will do is just scroll down. You see me the way I from up I scroll down, come to this manage Enhanced browser for you. All you need to do is just tap on this place here. So go directly to this Enhanced Safe browser on your account. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's bringing you directly here. All you just need to do is turn on. Okay, and then you type down here, you can see it here, and click on turn on. So you have done it. You have secured your own account, and that's all you need to do. And then if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell. My name is Gani, and this is Grow with Gani. I'm your YouTube mentor. I am your YouTube coach. Any question that you have, okay, but concerning monetization, how to grow your channel, kindly drop it in the comment section for me. Then I'll be here to help you to answer it. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.